Well, hello everyone, this is Chris back again with the Ancient Scholar. Today we're going to be continuing along the lines of discussing conversions and discussing this dimensional analysis type mathematics, or basic dimensional analysis type of mathematics. This is video 3 in a series of videos on conversions. And what I'm going to do now is we're going to just make another problem from this 100,000 gallons a day water processing facility or purification plant or wastewater processing facility, whatever facility we're talking about. We're going to give you, we'll give a scenario now. We'll just do a scenario word problem, analyze it, and figure out what it's asking and then solve it. And that's what a lot of this stuff comes down to, is just figuring out what in the heck they're asking. So, here's our problem. We have a plant. It processes 100,000 gallons of water per day. There are 2 people on duty in the plant, and we'll just say in this world that there's some law that says that 2 people can only deal with 280,000 liters of water per day. Any more than that, and we need more people. Any less than that, and we're okay with 2 people. So the question then is, do more people need to be called in? So a lot of information, a lot of stuff going on, so let's just dissect this problem here. Okay, so we know this, 100,000 gallons a day. We've got 2 people working. We know that 2 people can only deal with this many liters, 280,000 liters. Any more than this, and I have to call more people in. And it's asking, at 100,000 gallons per day, do I need to call more people in? Well, we don't know at this point, and hopefully you guys have the intuition to pick this out, that, well, we need to figure out how many liters per day are going through. How many liters per day? So what we need to do then, because they're not giving us liters, they're giving us gallons here, is we need to convert this 100,000 gallons into liters and figure out how many liters we have. So all this information, and it's just asking us a simple conversion. So let's go ahead and find a way of consolidating gallons with liters. A conversion factor, just like we've done on all of our other formulae. So when we talk about the US gallon, 1 US gallon is going to approximately equal 3.785 liters. Again, I'm not sure how many significant digits they want you to go to. You could probably take this to 3 and round that 8 up to a 9 and you'd be just fine. I'm not sure though. So we'll take it out a little more just to have a little better accuracy. Okay, so condition A is what we know. Okay, and I know for a fact the axiom here is that 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters. We know that. And then condition B is what I don't know. And what I don't know is how many liters 100,000 gallons converts to. So 100,000 gallons equals X. I don't know. And then we'll go ahead and just the same thing that we have been doing the last few videos, we'll cross multiply. 1x equals 3.785 times 100,000. Now if there's a 1 in front of the x, we know we don't need to divide, because if I divide this by 1, it's the same. X is still the same. So we can just kind of forget it if there's a 1 in front of there, and we just have x all by itself. So now all I have to do is just take 3.75, or 785, I'm sorry. So 3.785 multiplied by 100,000, 100, 1, 2, 3, and that gives me X equals 378,500 what? Liters. So I know per day there are 100,000 gallons going through my plant per day. that is going to equal 378,500 liters. And then I have to ask myself, do I need to call more people in? Well, we know anything more than 280,000 mandates we call more people in. So the answer here would be yes. And I have the math to prove it. Okay guys, hopefully you're finding this a lot more intuitive, and hopefully this is a good method that you can use to work through these problems. So you know, go ahead and shoot me some comments, let me know what you think. If you're having any real difficulties with some of these conversions, I can do some more videos. Thanks a lot. Take care, guys.